Welcome back to Farming on 40 Meters Square. Today I'm going to be looking at trying to revive old turmeric. So let me show you what it's all about. So basically what I've got here is an old piece of turmeric, but it doesn't seem like it wants to die just yet. This has been growing in my kitchen, believe it or not, and I've got a whole bunch of them, about 40 odd pieces of turmeric that seems like they want to grow. Now the problem is that it's almost actually the end of season for turmeric, and it should be looking like this. So your guess is as good as mine as to what's going to happen with these ones. So let's just plant them and see. So this video was sped up a little during recording. Got it on the wrong mode, but as you can see, we just put them in lines, put them in the ground. There's also a bit of where I stay, and then luckily for me afterwards, got a nice little shower, which basically gave us a nice little bit of rain water. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And I thank you again for watching this short little video on turmeric. Cheers.